How to fix YouTube app crashing. If the YouTube app is crashing, the most effective fixes are often clearing its cache, updating the app, or performing a quick device reset. So what you want to do is, first of all, open the settings on your device, check for an internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity as well. So then next you want to go ahead and locate apps and locate YouTube from the list. Make sure to go to storage and cache and make sure to tap on clear cache. Once you've done this, what you could also do is next, while you're on the you just exit out, go to your app store and select the search bar and make sure to locate YouTube and try updating the app as well. This should be able to fix as well. And you could also check for a down detector. So open up any browser and simply type in YouTube down detector. There you should be able to find the very first link, select it, so, and this is where it's gonna let you know whether there is any issue with the YouTube or not. So if nothing works out, then you also want to hold on to your side button and restart the device. That should definitely help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix YouTube app crashing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.